so motherfucking design on right now.
Hi guys! Welcome to my Nandito kami ngayon sa Eleanor's Beach Resort. And dahil today is our Christmas party sa aming NSTP subject. And they are here again. AJ and Mary J.
Nanapo na yung vlog.
Ay, AJ lang kung kasi yung name. Oh, hi AJ. Hi ba? Hi ba? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. And today we are here in Eleanor's Beach Resort, located in San Juan, Palompon, Leyte. And because we're here because of our Christmas party in NSTP subject. And I'm with my friends. This is Mary J and
Ay, pauni. Hindi ko balik. Balik na, balik.
This is AJ. As you can see on my previous video. Previous video, charay! Our other classmates are there in that cottage, and we are here in this place because we don't like to join them, or either we can join them later if the attendance will be served. They'll be fun. They'll be and today now we brought up our foods and and so we brought our foods like pizza, and we brought chichirya, and that's all. We're just going to join them for our foods because we contribute 50 pesos to our foods. Taka lang ko English ba? Basta Tagalogo na lang. Tadaan! As you can see guys, the beach is so nice and so wonderful. You can visit here in Eleanor's Beach Resort. It is located in San Juan, Palompon, Leyte. Ha? Oh no. Makao naman na.
May tinahi. Yung keso nga. Pero ito nga inahan.
And that's all for today's video. We're going to update later. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Uy, bye.
Go na.
Bye. They don't want to say bye.
Video ko siya.